Welcome to Teach Me Money Methods. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use PLR products to make money online. Now, I have a lot of videos about PLR on my channel, and there are several strategies that you can use to make money online. This is going to be a specific strategy that you can take PLR products to turn them into money. So let's get started into the video. But first, I want to talk about if you want to discover all the different ways, some of them are kind of my secret methods that I only share with students in my class, PLR Profits Academy. I'll leave a link in the resources section of this video that will take you to my courses. And one of my courses is PLR Profits Academy. I have several hundred students in this class, and this is top-notch, 3 hours of high quality over-the-shoulder training on how to actually start making money with PLR profits. So let's jump into this strategy today. So first, we're going to go over to one of my favorite places. It's called BigProductStore.com. I have a lifetime membership. You can pick up a lifetime membership for about $100, and then you will never have to worry about getting content in the future because they're coming out with new content all the time. So right here, you can see, we're going to come back to this, and you're going to see why I searched up self-discipline on this site. You can always come through. They usually have a search bar in the right-hand column, but I didn't see that today, so I actually scrolled down to the bottom, and you can see product search, and I just went in and typed in self-discipline. I'm going to show you why I'm focused on self-discipline right now, and what you want to do is find a good ebook. This was actually part of a PLR product that also has a disc or a video upgrade. So you know that it's a high quality product, and there's going to be several chapters and articles and good stuff. So we'll come back to this. There will be links to everything in the description below if you're interested in picking up any of the tools that I'm using in this method, Big Product Store and so forth. So let's go over here and look at the strategy, right? So we are over here on YouTube, and one of these channels that I mimic, and I have another channel that I actually just got monetized, which is awesome, and I am making videos that are similar to the channel right over here, Practical Wisdom, who has 702,000 subscribers, right? And they just do psychology and motivational type stuff, interesting ideas, and so forth. So it is a pretty broad YouTube channel, but they are getting millions of views. So we went over to Practical Wisdom. I've already shown this on the channel before. We already know that they're making thousands and thousands of dollars per month on the channel. And if you're definitely doing something wrong on YouTube, if you have 700,000 subscribers and you don't know how, and you haven't turned that into a full-time income from just one channel. So we're over here, and what you can actually do is on any channel, you can go into the search box, and I type in self-discipline, right? And so when you type in self-discipline over here, then you're going to see all kinds of good stuff like self-improvement videos and so forth. So you can see all these different ideas of, channels or videos that are actually making money on this channel. We come back over here, build unbreakable self-discipline with these 5 rules. So it's just 5 tips on how to build self-discipline. And they posted this 1 year ago, and they got 1.4 million views. So this is why this strategy works, right? So we need content for our videos if we're going to make a channel like this. And this is a great strategy because you're also using faceless YouTube channels and videos to pull this off. And I can tell you right now, even just by this, when it says right there, that is just a stock video clip that from Storyblocks that anybody has access to. So this is the strategy. You're going to build a YouTube channel, and you're going to use PLR content to build videos for this, right? And so what's really cool about having a membership to a place like Big Product Store is that they have thousands and thousands upon thousands of articles and ebooks ready to go in practically every topic that you can think of. And so that's why we come back over here to self-discipline, right? So you just click the download button. It's going to give you a preview of all the different things it talks about. So you push the download button, and this one is also a master's resale, right? So you can do pretty much anything you want with this content. So we come back over here, and you open it up, you extract the file, you have self-discipline mastery. We can go and check it out and see what it looks like. Here it is. And you can just kind of scroll through and see all these topics. Every single chapter can be a new video, or inside of each one is a new topic. So it gives you all kinds. Someone already went out and did all the research that you need to conquer this topic on your channel. So you can come through here and go to like chapter 1. What is your why? And you can actually copy all of this text for chapter 1 and make a video about it, right? We're going to do something even cooler. In this particular set of PLR, I'm going to come back over here to Self-Discipline Mastery, and you can see all the cool stuff. They've got email swipes and graphics and a sales page, mind map, resource cheat sheet, just all kinds of good stuff. What I'm interested in right here is the articles. I'm going to click on the articles and open up the doc. Now look at this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 YouTube videos just on one topic, self-discipline. And so right here, we can come over here, 3 easy ways to master self-discipline. So what is that? 3 easy ways to master self-discipline. We come back over here, and what was that popular video? Well, we've got self-discipline with these 5 rules. So it's very similar topic. It's self-discipline tips, and so it's very similar topic related. So then we can actually utilize this, right? So we'll come back over here and we'll just use that one, but we already know that we can build 10 videos just from this one set of PLR. There's several PLRs on self-discipline. There's several. We can do motivation. We can do all kinds of other topics for our YouTube channel. But this is just how you can go out and use the content that and use PLR in an actual legitimate way to build an asset that can make you money. So we're looking at over here, we open up this article. We've got 400 words to start, and that's we can definitely use a lot of different tools. We can add to this. We can write some more content. We can use some AI writers to do some even more content to build this out to a 1,000-word article. But for today's, just for video purposes and time purposes, we're going to go ahead and just take the 400 words, right? So we would actually take this 400 words, we could copy it, and then we're going to move on to the next step, right? So what you could do is you can actually come over to a place called You can actually come over to a tool called Spin Rewriter and go out and actually rewrite this content. So we could just click Rewrite Article, come back over to our article over here, copy it, come back over here, paste it, and I like to go into Settings, and I like to go over to here and make it just most readable, right? And then we just push OK, and then we do OK. So it's going to go out there, and it's actually going to work and just rewriting our article for us. And it does a really good job when you select most readable. It's going to create unique content. You're not going to get flagged or anything like that. So you can actually use these tools to make it. So it's actually going out there and doing that for you really quickly. You can also come over here to a place called Quillbot. And under the Paraphraser tool, you can use Fluency Standard. I like the Fluency, and you would just paste the text and push. What I like to do is just go to the second notch over here, and it's going to paraphrase all this and rewrite it, and Quillbot rewrites it in a really, really good way, and it's very, very fast in rewriting. And then you would just copy the content, right? And just stay tuned, because I'm going to show you what we actually are going to do with the content. Now, here's the thing. If you're going to use this PLR to place this on your website or publish ebooks or something like that, you would want to do this step right here, which is the rewrite process. You would want to rewrite it in Spin Rewriter or rewrite it in Quillbot, right? That's how you can one-click rewrite your content, and then you can publish the text on your website. You can publish this text and create ebooks and publish those on Amazon and publish them on other platforms. But for this particular strategy, we don't need to rewrite any of this content. We can just take the actual content, the article over here, the way it is, right? And we can go over to a site like Fiverr, and what we want to do is we need a voiceover created, right? And because we're going to be creating a video, an engaging video, we want a real voice on here. So we're going to hire someone. Now you can record it yourself if you know how to record voiceovers, you have a decent voice, and you just want to save money, then record it yourself, no problem. You'll be able to record 1,000-word voiceover in about 10 to 15 minutes. It's no problem. And so, but if you don't want to do that, then we can find some people that are willing to do this for around $10 for 1,000 words. So look right here. I will provide high quality narration for 1,000 words. $10. He has 85-star reviews. We're over here. This is 5-star reviews, 1,000 words for $10. You can just continue to look through here and find more people. That's about what I will see. What I've seen is the max that you're going to get for $5 to $10 is 1,000 words. Any more than that, you're going to get into the AI generated voiceovers and all that. Now, there's a lot of discrepancy if you can monetize auto voiceover gigs on Fiverr or on YouTube, if you can get your channel monetized or not. Now, that's not what the point of the video is. Now, if you're trying to get monetized, it probably is it's definitely a safer bet to have your voiceovers to be actually by a human to make it more engaging and more unique. So that's up to you. There are definitely channels out there on YouTube that use AI generated text to speech and they get monetized no problem. So that is up to you, but you can go over here and actually check their accounts. This one is actually a real person reading. Some of them you do want to be careful and look at because they still could be claiming that it's a real voiceover, but it's really AI generated voice. So actually have that conversation with them and make sure that they're saying that nope, it actually is them. Read the description. So you're going to go and order this gig for $10, right? And then what are you going to do? Now you need to just put that video together. Of course, you can go to Fiverr and outsource the video creation as well, or you can just pick up a tool like Pictory, which is a Vidnami replacement. And they've since then, in the last couple of weeks, improved drastically the voiceover syncing. So you can actually take the voiceover that you hire on Fiverr and bring in the text over here. You're going to use those two things and you're going to be able to create a video very quickly like you used to be able to in Vidnami. Now this is an alternative to Descript and Vidnami. So you can go ahead and check out all the details. Now I strongly encourage you, if we come down here, there's 3 tiers. I have the tier 3 plan right here because I can create unlimited projects per month. If I ever want to outsource or build videos for people, I won't have to worry about the amount of projects that I have. So that's great. But you can pick up subscriptions for as low as $59 for 30 projects per month. And you can double that for the 60 projects per month for $119. Now these are lifetime prices. You'll never have to pay again. This is the time to get in because this has been on AppSumo for 2 months now, and they are going away with this deal in 3 days. They have 170 5-star reviews. It's a hit, and it is the closest Vidnami replacement that I have seen out of dozens of softwares that I've reviewed. Pictory has done it. It's very, very similar. They have a ton more tools than Vidnami ever had. And they have since then, you can look at some of my other previous videos where I actually do go over exactly how to use the tool. I'm not going to do that in here because the video will get too long, but Pictory is the tool you want to use if you are planning on making your own videos quickly using stock footage and syncing your voiceover. So again, only 3 days left. Now after that, I'll still have a link below, but it won't be a lifetime deal. It will actually just be signing up at Pictory's website. So that is the strategy. Go out and research any topic on YouTube. In this example today, it was the practical wisdoms and self-discipline. You're going to go over to any PLR store. I use BigProductStore, link below. Pick up a nice ebook on the topic, and then go out. And if you're going to use it in any way where you're going to be publishing the content, the actual text, then you're going to want to make sure you use a good spinner, which is Spin Rewriter or Quillbot, links below. But in this case, we are only going to be using the text as is, the way the text actually came out and spit out for us. We're going to go ahead and grab that. We don't need to spin this because we're only using a YouTube channel. And they're going to go over here. You're going to outsource on Fiverr and get a voiceover created for you. Then you're going to go pick up Pictory or use any other video editor that you already have. You may already be a member of Pictory, and you're going to create videos and start publishing. And then you're going to start making money with PLR. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because I talk about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and I also have PLR related videos as well. So until next time, take care.